open
Sure.
and let's continue our practice.
Okay.
Yeah, I will send you in chat a program to implement. Okay, once you are ready, read your program loudly and start implementation.
Did you send yet? Or?
I gave you access to share your screen.
Okay.
Are you able to open IntelliJ?
Yep. I can.
Okay, please do it.
Oh, I thought you were.
Because our time is limited.
Okay.
And I sent you the program, the exercise program that you need to do in chat. So you can read it loudly and start writing your code.
This is my homework that I did. I did these classes last night.
I see. It's all great. Like this healthy class. It's really great. It's 100% correct.
Yeah,
As
thanks.
I can see, it's all good. Keep it up, bro. So now please read the exercise and then start the implementation. Read loudly, please, and then start the implementation. Bro,
Yep.
please read the exercise first and then start
Okay.
implementation.
Yeah. Ready to the program. Name, age, address, age, phone number, weight, income, date of birth, and status.
Can you raise your voice?
Okay. Yeah, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay, yeah, right there. Right in the program with values and variables and display them on screen. So, okay, I can do that.
It's okay.
All right. Any, I can use any variable.
Yes, you should create a variable for each value and
Any,
then
any,
display all of them on the screen.
can I use any variable I want?
Yeah, any variable you want.
Okay. Give an int.
To store the certain values mentioned in the exercise.
Okay, I see.
The exercise is telling you write a Java program to store the following values in variables and display them on the screen. What are the values? It's name, age, address, nationality, gender, email, phone number, tall, height, income, date of birth, and marital status.
Hello. I'm just, I'm just like, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Bye bye. Okay, good. Sorry, someone keeps calling
No
me.
problem, you are doing good. Just please continue.
Okay. Teammate. Ah,
Like you don't have to write genuine information about yourself. Just any dummy data will be enough.
anything amazing. Alright,
You're getting much better, bro.
thank you.
Really a good job. You're doing a good job. Continue, please. You just missed the phone number.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, great. You entered the whole values and you displayed them successfully. Let's move to the next level. Okay, I want you, like here, you got the income value and you stored it in a variable, right?
Oh, yeah.
After that, I want you, like using this income variable. Okay, I want you to calculate the tax amount that should be paid by that person. So can you do it? Like, for example, in Canada, assuming that like people pay 10% taxes, using the income variable, calculate the tax amount should be paid. And also display it on the screen, of course. Can you do it or not?
I think I can try.
Okay, we'll try together. And I'm here to help you. Remember yesterday we did something similar to that.
Yeah. Like the mass, you want to like a percentage. Okay. Income. Yes, this income.
Pay attention to brackets. Don't mess with any brackets.
I accidentally deleted one, I think.
You'll start putting yourself again in the drama of brackets. So please don't touch any bracket.
Okay.
Like here on line number 31, there is an opening bracket, which is completely wrong. This opening bracket, it's not indicating a start of a class or a start of a function. So it's completely wrong. Okay. Now here in this file, we have, yeah, correct. We have a class that should have an opening and closing bracket. And also we have a method, which is the main method, that also should have an opening and closing bracket. Apart from that, don't mess with any bracket.
Okay.
Like assume that tax will be 10% of the income. So how we're gonna calculate tax?
Income equal. Income.
Before printing, just create a new variable, call it tax. Okay. And then set the value of tax, as I told you, should be 10% of the income. Browser, create a new variable. Create a new variable and call it tax. Okay.
Equal.
Browser,
Okay.
you're just putting a percentage, which is wrong. I'm asking you about the tax amount. Depending on your income, calculate the tax. If the tax is 10%, so how much should be the tax amount for your income?
Income. something like that.
Okay, forget about programming and let's discuss the mathematic concepts. Okay, we have here an income amount. Okay, and we assume that tax percent is 10%, and you want to calculate the tax amount should be paid. How we're gonna do it?
Probably tax income.
You're almost there. You're almost there. But still, you need to make an edit to let it work. Hmm? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're getting it. You're getting it. Okay. Do you know why it's giving you an error? Do you know why it's giving you an error? Mathematically, it's correct. Like now, mathematically, it's correct. But still, it gives you an error. Do you know why? I will give you 1 minute to guess. Why it's giving you an error? Bro, are you there? Okay. Do you know why it's giving you an error or you don't know? Great, you're learning because you can read the hint about the error. Can you read what the IntelliJ telling you? It's telling you the operator slash or division cannot be applied to string. The problem is, go up, bro. Go up. Scroll up, please. Yeah, here, like most of the time, used the string data type, which is okay if only purpose of our program is to display the values. Okay, so yeah, it's okay. We can generalize the string data type to all our variables, almost all our variables, and we displayed them all correctly. But it's limiting our ability to make such operations on our variables. Like here, income is a number, and I need now to make some calculation on that number. String will not allow me to do any such operation. So better to select the proper data type for the value that I'm gonna store. So here, please, we have almost 10 variable. I want you now to change this string data type and select the proper data type on your own, like for nationality, for gender, for email, for height, for income, whatever. Like, ask yourself a question. Is a string is the best data type that we should use? for such a value, or it's better to change the string into another data type? Ask yourself this question for each variable we have. Brother, it will always give you an error. Do you know why? Because integer or long or double, okay, we don't use double quotes with all of them. With integer, we don't use double quotes. With long, we don't use double quotes. The same with double, the same with long, the same with float. So if you want to use one of them, you should remove these quotes first.
Double.
Okay, is this a decimal number?
No.
Like, ask yourself a question. Okay, let's move from the beginning. Cody. Cody is a name, right? Which is a text. So for a text, which data type we should use?
String.
String. Okay, and you already used the string. Right, correct. Next one is age. Age is an integer number. 33, for example, is an integer number. So which data type we use to store integer numbers?
Letters. Or, I mean,
Most of the
number.
time we use integer, but we have 4 data types that we can use with integer numbers: byte, short, integer, and long. Byte, short, integer, and long. Depends on the size of the value, but most of the time we use integer. And you already used integer, which is correct. Okay, next one is my address. My address, you had, like, you struggled with this address, and finally you, like, skipped all the text that you have wrote. You erased it and you used integer. Is that correct?
Yeah.
It's not correct. Like, address will be a text value, and with text value we use a string data type. So please delete this integer and make it string, because it's a text. It should be treated like a text. Yes. It gives you an error. Yes, yeah, correct. Now, in between these quotes, you can write whatever text you want.
Okay.
Yeah, correct. Nationality, a text, which is correct. Yeah, okay. Male also is correct. Email is correct. Male and female, if we're gonna use only a character, M for male and F for female, we can shift this string to character. Better to do it so you will get used to use different data types. Yeah, but don't forget that, no, not double quotes, but single quotes. So always remember, with character, we use only single quotes. Okay. Email is correct because it's a text and you are using a string for it. But for height, it's not correct. Like for height, this is a decimal number, and you are using a string. If you used it as a string, you only can display it, but you cannot make any operation on it. So better to give it a proper data type. I'm asking you now, what is the proper data type for decimal numbers?
Float.
Yes, correct. Totally correct. Yes, 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 yes. Great. Don't worry, no, don't worry. It's just missing. No. This single quotes is only used with character.
Okay.
Okay. And the double quotes only used with a string. Okay. Any other data type don't use neither double nor single quotes. Okay. Yes. The F was missing. Now delete this yes single. Yeah, correct. Great. Really great. Income now it's an integer number. Sometimes for some people it's a decimal number. So it depends on the value that you chose. You chose here in that example to make it integer number. But you're still using a string, which caused us a problem, as you saw while calculating tax. So please delete the string and give it a proper data type. Yes, the same. Yeah. Great. The same, do it for weight and age. Great. The same, please do it for date of birth. Okay. Now for the marital status, it's okay if you write married as a text string, but I want you to use the Boolean data type. So how you're gonna do it?